Today what we're doing for Physics Club is, it's the end of the quarter, we're letting off some steam, and we're destroying some produce with a vacuum cannon. So the idea is we have a vacuum pump removing as much air as possible from the tube. There's a ping pong ball in there. When you puncture it, a bunch of air, just regular atmospheric pressure air, rushes in, carries the ping pong ball with it, and it can reach speeds of in excess of about 300 miles an hour, and we're having it crash into some produce that the students brought today.